Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily download and install the WeChat application on your Windows 11. To begin, click on search bar and type Microsoft Store. Click on the Microsoft Store application to open. Wait until the refresh is completed. Several pictures should appear. Now that it's ready, click on the search bar and type WeChat. Click on the WeChat app and wait until it's loaded. Once we click install, Windows will automatically start downloading and installing the application. It usually takes between 20 to 40 seconds before it's completed. After that, we will be able to click open and we'll be able to use the application. Windows will ask you if you want to allow the application to make changes. Go ahead and click yes. As you can see, the application has been installed and I can see here the window or the icon of it. So you can always just double click on it and it should start working for you. As here it says, it's already installed. You might need to wait few seconds until the application start being responsive. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.